our potato skins and we're going to drop them in this hot oil. Look at that bubble. Woo, just like we wanted. We're going to go ahead and grab this one also and place it in here. And we'll be right back as soon as these skins are fried. Push that in. Nice. Alright, these babies are now ready. Let's go ahead and grab them and take them out. And we come this way. Place them right here on the drying rack. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Turn them over. That excess oil out. Look at these. They are nicely golden. Skin is nice and crispy. What we want, we'll go ahead and come through with some egg. Let's go ahead and drop one off. There we go. Come back to that. Whoa, someone's eating good today. Let's go ahead and drop this off, guys, like we're dropping off the kids at school. Bam. Cheddar, bacon, chives, and of course a little salt and pepper. And we are off to the oven, guys, this way. Go ahead and place this in our preheated oven, and we'll be back in just a few minutes to pick it up. In the meantime, let's grab these guys. We have filmed our bowls, some on the bottom and some on the top. Why? Because this is what we're going to do next. Go ahead and drop off these cheese balls. What's in them? Oh, all the stuff that makes it good. We have some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, cheddar cheese, Philadelphia, all that good stuff. And right now we're going to come through real quick with some bacon strips, boom boom, and the last ones. 3 slices of cheddar cheese, like this, like that, and like so. Now we grab these and place them on top. Same here, and we do same with the third. Press. Check that out. We're gonna go ahead and make ourselves some bowls, jalapeno popper style, inside out. Let's go ahead and put these in the freezer. We want them to get nice and hard so we can bread them after. They are now frozen. We're gonna go ahead and grab one, pop it out just like that, come over here, and we're gonna bread it. So we take our flour and we cover it completely. Alright guys, my breading is nice. Got some panko on there. We're gonna go ahead and put it in this oil, nice and gently, and watch that fry. Alright guys, this should be about good. Let's give it a little check. Baby, it's ready. Let's go ahead and bring it out here. Let that drip dry. This one is nice and ready. Perfect. Nice heaping spoon of some chili. Just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and move on. But before that, a bit of parsley. A little bit here, here, here. My preference. And check it out. Careful, they are hot. This salt that we put on the outside has definitely flavored our sweet potato. Open that up. That too. Hot, hot. Okay, what we're gonna do now is grab a little butter. Just place it there. Without any effort, just mix that in there. Nice, get your butter. A little mix. Make sure the butter is in there. Next one. Get your butter. Beautiful. Now, grab yourself a nice heaping spoon. Fill this up. Grab this. Beautiful. Go ahead and type it out. Get yourself a spoon. Now we get our pecans. Spoon them in there. And come back, give it a second little coat. And of course, right after this, we're gonna add our marshmallows. We're gonna finish off this one with some tiny, tiny marshmallows going all the way to the end. All right, now we're going to the oven. This part is done. Now we're just gonna add a little bit to our plate. Delicious green beans. Roll this in a flattened piece of turkey breast. Let's have a taste. And we wait until they're golden brown. Baby, this is looking ready. Let's get that out the way because that ain't helping us. We grab all of these, just like that, all at once, and we come over here, let them strip dry. Whoa, watch out guys, safety first, these are hot still, it's okay. Let's go ahead and fill one up. Some carrots, some peas, beautiful. And of course, a little gravy, y'all. Delicious. And we're gonna use the same mashed potatoes that we had before to make this come together. From a half sphere to a full one. Grab that, place it on top, mix it up. Look at that, y'all, perfect. All right, now, just to let y'all know, you can use any veggies you want. We chose this. Enjoy, and you can find this recipe at chefclub.tv. Okay, now we have our beautiful rib right here. We're gonna go ahead and come as close as we can to the bone. Just peel it, let it fall on its own, just like that, not all the way down, right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut in this way, and we open it up and go across. Try to make a nice even layer. Go this way. Once we get to this part right there, we open it up again like a book, and we're gonna go with one more nice thin layer this way, and there we go. Beautiful. See, we have our bone here and the rest of it right there. Get that? And go ahead and place it right here. Bring that in together. We have some pork sausage, and we're gonna roll it onto some bacon strips like this. Grab that and roll. Now we bring it back this way, close it up completely. Beautiful. I'm gonna place this right here. Come through with a little salt and pepper for our steak. Quickly. Grab our little oink ball here, and we're gonna roll it in the center like that, all the way. bring it like this, lay it down, and we're gonna go ahead and grab this, press it in just like that. Beautiful, nice and flat. Now we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna sear this baby right here. See, we have tied this up with some kitchen twine, and we're gonna very carefully place this down and sear it nicely like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip it and get our other side done. Look at that beauty. And we're not done yet. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Now that it's beautifully seared on both sides. Check out the other side real quick. Nice. We got onions. We have garlic, a bay leaf, rosemary, and thyme. Spread that out. We're gonna give that just enough time for the onions to get nicely caramelized. And we're gonna go ahead and place it. That this is nice and ready. We're gonna go ahead and grab this back, place it in, and we're not done yet. We're gonna go ahead and add a little red wine and some beef broth, like that. And now we are off to the oven. These flavors are gonna mix in perfectly. Smells great already, and we still have 2 more hours to go in the oven. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this in here for 2 hours. We're gonna check it, and we'll be right back. Back from the oven, y'all. Check that beauty out. Let's go ahead and dig in real quick. Get this nice. Put that to the side. And let's dig in right here. Look at that. Perfectly tender. Delicious. Let's move on. And let's go ahead and grab this side, y'all. What a beauty. Take a little bite. Check that out. Delicious. You can find this at chefclub.tv. Enjoy.